Create a dictionary with comprehension. Can I use list comprehension syntax to create a dictionary? For example, by iterating over pairs of keys and values.
Use a dict comprehension, Python 2.7 and later. Alternatively, for simpler cases or earlier version of Python, use the dict constructor, for example. Given separate arrays of keys and values, use the dict constructor with zip.
In Python 3 and Python 2.7+, dictionary comprehensions look like the below. For Python 2.6 or earlier, see Fortran's answer.
In fact, you don't even need to iterate over the iterable if it already comprehends some kind of mapping, the dict constructor doing it graciously for you.
Create a dictionary with list comprehension in Python like the Python list comprehension syntax. Can it be used to create dictionaries too? For example, by iterating over pairs of keys and values. You're looking for the phrase dict comprehension, it's actually assuming blah 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 is an iterable of two tuples, you're so close. Let's create some blahs like that. Dict comprehension syntax. Now the syntax here is the mapping part. What makes this a dict comprehension instead of a set comprehension, which is what your pseudocode approximates, is the column like below. And we see that it worked, and should retain insertion order as of Python 3.7. In Python 2 and up to 3.6, order was not guaranteed. Adding a filter. All comprehensions feature a mapping component and a filtering component that you can provide with arbitrary expressions. So you can add a filter part to the end. Here we are just testing for if the last character is divisible by 2 to filter out data before mapping the keys and values.